Hi, welcome to Rock Around the World, our YouTube channel. I'm Gary Brock.
And I'm AJ Brock.
And we want to welcome you today. And we're going to be taking a little bit of a different look at a Babymetal song that is one of the best ones I think they've done. And it is Metali with Tom Morello. And instead of doing the official release version, the official music video for it, or even one of the live ones, we're going to do a video from Cleveland, the Agora Theater, and I was there, AJ was there,
Yeah.
and I was in the front row for that, at that time, so I was able to capture most of the song. And so we've not seen the video, or at least I haven't seen it in a while. AJ's never seen this video.
No.
And so we're going to take a look at Babymetal with Tom Morello and doing Metali at the Agora Theater in Cleveland, Ohio last October. I'm pretty sure. I believe it was October.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's take a look at the video. It captures almost all of it. I'll try not to stop this very often, but one of the things about this video that I wanted to show everyone was that in the official video, when Momoko or Momo-Metal does her part of the basic kind of a kabuki style play section where she sort of half sings, half talks. In the official video, when she's finished, it just goes into the rock portion with Morello's really incredible guitar work. But live, we saw for the first time Momo actually bend over and let out a growl that you could hear all over that part of Cleveland. It took me by surprise, and it's been done in all of the other live performances, but a lot of people had never heard this from her because most people hadn't seen a live performance yet of the song. They had just seen the official version. So what I liked about it, the video, is that it shows her performing it really for one of the first times in the U.S. on that tour, and also the part where they told everybody to sit down.
同じアホなら踊るでしかしここで踊らにゃいつ踊るメタリメタリ
One of the things I liked about it, now, Tom Morello, what group was he with?
Rage Against the Machine.
Right.
Yeah.
And as a metal
Yeah.
guitarist yourself, what's his style? What is he noted for?
Oh, just his different types. I mean, he has different types of playing all over the board on the guitar. Really,
Kind of creative.
yeah, very creative. Just the sound, you always know it's Tom Morello when at least I always know it's Tom Morello when I hear his his songs or anything he does some jamming on or any songs that he's doing collaborations on and stuff. You can always pick out his style or his sound for sure.
Kind of unique. I caught that he is quite an innovator in terms of just his guitar.
Yeah.
And I think he has left Rage Against the Machine now.
Oh,
I think.
I'm not for sure. I'm
don't
pretty
either.
sure, but
I know I've seen
yeah,
him
they're,
on.
they're not together anymore. I
Yeah,
don't believe.
yeah.
But
I've seen him on a couple of the festival
yeah,
tours.
yeah, he does his own thing,
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cool.
All right. Well,
That was a
again,
cool video, Dan.
yes,
That was really cool.
Yes, thank you. I was able to get on the front row, right against the rail for a while. A nice gentleman who was in front of me. I was mostly in the back row, second row, and I said, "Can I get up on the rail, at least for a while?" I've never been. I've been close. And he said, sure. So I went up there and got that particular song on video. Mostly I just watch them. I try not to use my cell phone too much during the concerts. I try, whatever.
That's good.
But that was a great performance in Cleveland when they were performing with, I think, Death Clock? I believe.
Deathlock, yeah.
They were great too. I think. I think we may have left after Babymetal. But I'm not sure.
Deathlock was wasn't that the combination, right, of them two being together?
Right.
So it was Metaloptica, right?
Yeah, and
Is that how
Baby
you say
Clock or something like that.
Yes.
Metaloptica, yeah.
That's who it was. That's who they were with. So.
Yeah. And again, that was a great tour, and they're going on tour back in the United States this winter. I think
cool.
In November, December, or October and November, I believe. They'll be in not too far from us in Cincinnati and Indianapolis on the West Coast, the East Coast. So
cool.
Get a chance to see them again this year by the end of the year, which is a bit surprising. Very happy to see that. Thank you, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And you want to make our favorite buddy here happy. What do you think, huh? Are you happy to see the metal music? Huh? You like metal? Anyway, that's crack. Anyway, thank you all, and hope you enjoyed the video.